Hi, I'm Amy Godfrey from the Department of Chemistry, and I teach a rather large course with 200, 300, 400 students a term, and discovered that I needed help. There were many more students than there were of me, and so needed a system to help manage all the questions that I was getting from students. I wanted to encourage those questions to keep coming in, but I didn't want to be doing email constantly. Piazza has been a great tool to help with that, and so I want to spend a few minutes with you showing you how I manage all the questions that come in through Piazza, how you can encourage students to participate in Piazza in both asking and answering questions, and how you can deal with some things like inappropriate questions, and how you can keep all of your questions and all of your material organized. Because if you're anything like me and have lots of questions, that's going to be a challenge, keeping them organized, answering them, and using them as effectively as possible. And now comes the exciting part, the Q&A tab from the very top, the question and answer page. This is the home page, if you will, the first page everyone sees when they log in, because it's where the heart of Piazza is, the questions and answers. And when you initially set up your page, this is what it looks like. You have the enrolled students, other TAs and instructors, setting up your course page. That's what it's set up like for you. And you will initially receive, if you go over here to the left, you will receive a couple of messages already, or questions, answers, actually really notes. And so that's under today, what's been posted for you today when you've created your site. The first is telling you how to introduce Piazza to your students. Piazza's sort of done this for you. You can post a welcome note. Now, a note will come up and all your students will see it in Piazza.